Hi friends, we're learning how to convert fraction to decimal. From fraction, we want to learn how to convert fractions to decimal, and this is how we will go. The first example we have is 19 over 100. Sincerely, this is very simple for me because fraction, actually this means 19 divided by 100. So what I'm just going to do is remember that there's a decimal point here, and then I have two zeros here, so I go 1 and 2, so my decimal point comes here, so the answer is 0.19. That's that. Now the second example. So the second example is 8 divided by 25. You can decide to use a long division method, but then I just realized that 25 is a factor of 100. That means I can multiply 25 by 4 and it will give me 100. So whatever I do to the top part, I do it to the bottom part, and I multiply this by 4 and it gives me 32. And once this divided by 100, it becomes easy for us because we're just going to move our decimal places, and I have two zeros here, so I'm going to move my decimal place 1, 2 and put a dot, so this becomes 0.32. This is far easier than using the long division method, which I would have done like this. I would have said 25, sorry, not 25. I would have said 8 divided by 25, and it cannot, so I put 0. I put point rather. I put a dot and then put 0. 25 in 80 will give me 3. 3 times 25, 75. I will now do 80 minus 75, which will give me 5. Then I put another 0. 25 in 50 will give me 2. So at the end of the day, I still got 0.32. You can choose the method you want. I have used first method and I have used the second method. So we'll be changing decimal back to fraction, and we have 0.64. We want to change it back to fraction. So wherever we see the 0, the decimal point, we put 1 there, and then we'll put 0, 0. And now, from your knowledge of fraction, you know what that means. It's very, very simple. What that means is that this is the tenth and this is the hundredth. So this will become 64 over 100. We break this down to the lowest multiple. This is 50. This is 32. This is 16. This is 25. So 16 over 25. There is no other number that can be divided or that can go here. I don't think there's any other number that can divide both. 4 can't, 3 can't. So there's the final answer. Now do exercise 15.1 in your checkpoint book. I'm going to put the work beneath this post. So you do exercise 15.1. Thank you.